Here I have Galaxy Watch and I will show you what you can see inside of it. If you're kind of curious what's going on inside, I will show you just in a moment. So it will be partial disassemble because I don't want to, it's not kind of clear how to remove everything, so I will turn it off. This model is R800. So what you're gonna face on the back, you will need a screwdriver. You can call it Y tree wing or trying to show you, but doesn't take a focus on it. Maybe here. Also it's kind of hard. Okay, there's a chance. Whatever. Tree wing or 3-point. So you have 4 screws here. They're very tight, and as you can see, there is a blue paint at the end on every screw. So because of that blue paint, screws are stuck there. So once you manage to remove it, I suggest you to use only Y screwdriver or 3-wing, or there are a few other names for that. I can tell you the same screwdriver from iPhone 7 doesn't work. You will need to use maybe the caliber of this, it's a Y00 or Y0. So next, to pry this back plate, you will need something like that. This is a pry tool I bought on eBay. The rear back cover is also very tight. I already removed it. So next, when you pull it up, there is a flat cable just here, this one, and you need to remove it as well. Pull it up. Okay, this is the flex, what was keeping this. This is the flex, what kept attached. What we can see here, this is the, I believe this is the speaker. Where is the magnet and attachment screwdriver as well. This is the speaker. This one, it goes for the some sensors. This one goes probably another sensors, and this one it's called the factory pogo, and I will show you a little while after what's that. So here what we have, you have this flex, this flex. After you have one clip here and one clip here. I already used them because I'm shooting with one hand, and you can see. So what you can see here as well, I can point what you have here, these 5 pogo pins. Something else here what I'm not familiar with. So when you lift this thing up, you should do this very carefully because it's still attached beneath, and as you can see in this place it's attached. I don't want to remove it because I'm not sure I can put it back without damaging anything, so if you kind of will need to go further. And what we can see here as well, this is the battery, and it shows it's the 472 milliamps. Yeah, it's clear now. Pretty big battery for such watch. So I not will go below this thing because kind of scary to break anything. And here this factory pogo pinout serves for you can if you broke wireless download mode, you can use these pins to connect the watch to the PC by USB cable. So in order to do that, you can buy I here have only the bottom part. It was kind of like that. You buy Samsung Gear S charger, you disassemble it, you pull this up. So why it's pocket? Because those are springs here and they moving. So the idea is you can plug it that way and it's gonna connect to computer. So this is it, and this port will be covered with a plastic black plastic cover, and you can use a screwdriver. There is a little notch on it, so you just pry it out and remove it. And basically that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please share with your friends.